What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in the channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error code is SU-101495-0. This code indicates that the system is up to date. So your system software needs to update, or your timing is out, your console timing is out. So simply, I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we are at the screen. Here we go to settings, and look at that, the system, go to the system, and you must check the system software up to date or not. If it needs to update, you just update it, and then go to the second option. Here's the download automatically and install automatically. Here we go to the date and time. You must check the date and time. Sometime your console battery is outdated and your timings is out, so that's why date and time is out. That's why you get this error sometime. And in the last, what to do, you just turn off your PlayStation 5 and go to the safe mode. There is a rebuild database, clear cache, and reinstall system software. You just rebuild the database. After rebuilding, database corrupted file will be deleted and your date and time will be sought out. If the battery is not working, then you must change your battery in your console for the date and time. And if you want to connect date and time with the internet, you just go to the settings to do some settings there with the internet. So simply that's how you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.